Look at this picture. So what happened and what is the cause of accident and what we do now. So yeah, so first, of course, whatever something happened, it's happened to you or something because of anything, maybe the battery ban or damage. So your old drone crash, maybe motor tricks and crash down. What you have to do now? Of course, you can do simple way. You just reach out to the salesperson or our DJI authorized after sales center, and we will take care of, and we will see even if we can claim the warranty, and we will claim it for you. So first, you need to inform us, and we will guide you the step by step. So as warranty procedure, the same. You have to record the video, serial number, QR code, all information support. And next, what we do? What about we DJI authorized after sales center? What do we do? First, what we do is we make the damage assessment. So what part damage and what part you need to order and what parts. See this picture totally damaged. But remember, people say, how come you repair? Of course we can do, and we can let you estimate the cost. It depends on the accident. We can let you know how much, of course, let me say in the ratio, how much percentage of your the drone cost can cost. So we can calculate for you. If warranty claim, of course, you don't need to worry about the repair fee. Okay, we can claim you can claim for the warranty. So what we do, we make damage assessment and we make the part list, and we with the parts we have, we fix it, and if the under warranty, DJI will pay for it, and if under non-warranty, still we will fix this for you, and of course you may have to pay the cost. Okay, so yes, anyhow, like something happened, is also we simply do first a visual check and also short circuit test. Of course, authorized certified DJI after sales people can do more. But for you also, simply you can make a visual check what happened and what the cause, because in the warranty procedure we might ask you to share the video and also to have a brief explanation what is happening. Of course, the QR code you upload to the cloud is we can check what happened also. So that's we kind of cooperation. So no need to, of course, better you don't make any crash, or even it happens, don't be panic. You can go, as per our DJI policy, and we are here always to assist you with your issue or any challenge you have. So I hope after watching this video, you will have a proper understanding what you have to do. One that's happening like this, what you can do, and also no need to be afraid or panic. Also, we will try our best so that you can carry on your operation. Of course, we'll be honest, like it could take a month because it's so heavily damaged, and after fix we also need to make sure it is working properly, because if you don't, maybe some people they might be fixing, but sometimes that it happens same issue. This is the user fault, so we won't let the same issue happen because of the same motor or the same place. So I make sure you follow our DJI policy, and make sure you well communicate with our after sales people.